people on.
Cowboy dance.
What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. As you can see, we've got Dora back here. And the first thing I want to talk about is here lately, man, life has been really hard on us. And it's come to the point where I think it's time to say goodbye to Dora and pretty much downgrade. So before we get into that though, I really would appreciate it if you guys would go down to my description below and check out my store where you can get an Arctic Vet t-shirt. You could get your kid an Arctic Vet hoodie, t-shirt. You get yourself an Arctic Vet hoodie. We've got it all on there. And I want you guys to know that the number way that you guys can support me is not only by sharing, liking, and commenting, but buying some of my merchandise and supporting it, sporting it around, like wearing it around when you go to car meets, car stuff, when you go shopping, because here's what's gonna happen, and it's been happening. For those of you that have already purchased some of my merchandise, thank you. I really appreciate it, and it's helped me out a ton. And for those of you that haven't yet, drop some comments down below on why you haven't. Let me know, because genuinely I care and I want to know. But here's a little story for you. One of my friends, Trey, thank you for sending me this little story here. He went shopping. Well, I don't even think he was shopping. I think he was working when he seen an older lady wearing an Arctic Vet t-shirt, just like this one right here. Got the AV, and then on the back it says Arctic Vet, just like my hat does there. And he goes, I seen this sweet old lady wearing an Arctic Vet shirt, dude. That is so cool at the store today. Turns out that old lady isn't just an old lady. That's my Omi. That's my grandma. And to me, hearing that just brightens my day. And I'll tell you what, it wasn't a great day yesterday. It hasn't been a great week. But that little piece of, hey man, I seen somebody wearing your merch, just brightened my day. So if you guys haven't bought any Arctic Vet merchandise yet, go ahead, check it out. And by the way, if you're not just here for Arctic Vet, maybe you're here for Cars and Coffee, let me go ahead and go to the back over here. We have Cars and Coffee, t-shirts, hoodies, you name it. I even got something for your dog on there. So go ahead and check that out. And right now, until November 26th, I believe it's November 26th. I will put that in my description below for sure, so check it there. If you use the promo code I subscribed, then you will get to save a little bit of money on your first purchase of some Arctic Vet gear. Now, let's get out of this merch plug and into the content of Miss Dora and having to say goodbye. And to do so, we're gonna kind of walk around her, let you guys see her, because she may be gone soon. I don't know. I really don't know. I just know times are really tough, and it's not only me that it's affecting everybody. And I really just want to downgrade from this beautiful family SUV police car to a pickup truck. I want to go back to a pickup truck. I want to go back to my roots. I know it's so dark out here. I promise you it's only like 6:30, but it looks like midnight outside. Thanks daylight savings. So Dora currently is, you know, I'm managing. But here's the thing. If I got something a little bit cheaper, say an older truck, like a 2006 Chevy Silverado that was a Duramax. And for those of you that don't know, that is the 6.6 turbo diesel, which just happens to be the most sought after Duramax motor, which is an LBZ. that's my dream truck. Like, if that truck could pop in here right now, done. I would get rid of Dora in a heartbeat. Now, problem though, is those trucks aren't quite worth what Dora's worth. Dora's worth quite a bit, surprisingly. And I've paid a lot of her off. And now she's sitting at like 65,000 miles on her. I got her with a 40 something, about 50 I think. And as you can see, we've done a lot of mods. Done a lot of blacking out, added the window visors, light bars, the push bar, you name it, we've done it. I want to do more to her, but she's kind of at the point where right now in life, she's a little bit expensive, a little bit pricey for me. And if I could get me a new truck, new to me truck, a Duramax, an LBZ, they're cheaper than this, and my loan payment would drop. Because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've never bought a car outright with cash. Never. Not in the position, not in the situation to do that. Not able to do that yet. When the day comes, you guys will definitely be the first to know, because I'm gonna be excited, because that's gonna be an accomplishment of a lifetime, being able to walk in somewhere with cash in hand and just buy a car. I can't wait. Can't wait. Now, is that the best thing to do with the money? No, not really. You should, invest that money, do all sorts of stuff instead. Use the interest, pay it with that, blah, blah, blah. I don't know all the logistics to that. And honestly, it doesn't matter to me right now in my life, because I'm not in a position where I can even do that. So, it is what it is. And if I did get me a truck though, and it was a Duramax, it could pull Miss Avy outside there a whole lot better than Miss Dora can. Now I know. Some of you guys are gonna miss Dora. I'm gonna miss Dora. But she's probably gonna be leaving. And she's gonna have to find a new home. Yep. I think so. And with that happening though, when it does, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Because eventually, she'll be replaced one way or another. Whether that's now, recent, like soon, or if it's in the future. She'll eventually get replaced. And right now, if I was able to get rid of her, sell her, pay off my loan, and find me an LBZ Duramax, that truck would be cheaper on payments, therefore allowing me a little more wiggle room. But the best part is, since I can't afford Dora right now, is that I would be able to essentially double my car payment on this new truck and pay it off twice as fast as I should. To me, that's awesome. That's paying less interest. That's still gaining some credit. It's kind of a win-win. So that's my thoughts on Dora here, and why she may be leaving. And I know it's not the greatest news. Honestly, I've been debating this for months. A long time, like several months, like 5 months that I've been debating on this. And I just keep coming back to the same conclusion of, well, you know what? She's really nice. But I don't need all this. I don't really need everything that she offers. And the biggest problem, don't tell anybody, but she's not 4-wheel drive. Come on. How am I supposed to be a country boy and not have a 4-wheel drive? Anyways, now that that little secret is hidden and kept in a lock, a safe, voice box, somewhere out there. that's I don't know. That's it, guys. I would like to hear your comments. What you guys think? Give me some feedback. Because honestly, everybody I've talked to, you can't tell me what to do. But maybe you have a little bit of words of wisdom for me that will guide me in the right direction, that'll help me. And the thing is I've been praying a lot about this, about the Lord opening doors, showing me the open doors, showing me the closed doors. And I tell you what, I've been looking for a new house to live in. I've been looking for a new car to replace door that's cheaper. The Corvette is here to stay. It's paid off. There's no reason to sell it. It literally cost me like $100 a month. And that's insurance. And she just sits in the garage. So now that we're talking about the Corvette a little bit, get into my next video here. Corvette's just gonna have to sit for a while and be kind of the weekend car again. Nothing really gonna happen with her soon, like the twin turbo kit I wanted to do, blah blah, etc., etc. We'll dig into more detail when my next video on that comes out. So I don't know, guys. The Lord has a plan. He knows the path that I'll be taken down, and it's only a matter of time of when, not if, but when I find that path, find the doors, and it's gonna lead us through, more struggles, and these struggles will lead us to success, and then more harder struggles, and it's gonna keep building us into a much better human being. And that's what I'm looking forward to. I'm really looking forward to looking into the positive in the things. And right now, the positivity of being quarantined 5 times. Yeah, I said 5. Guinness World Record, if you're listening. 5-time quarantine champion right here. Just saying. Quarantine's not fun. It's not for everybody. A lot of people hate me for it. What are you gonna do? You gonna tell the government to quit quarantining people? Because I'm down for that. Go right ahead. But here's the thing. When there's legal actions that can come back because you don't quarantine, sorry, not for me. Oh, Dora, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, girl? She's been a really good car. I really, really have enjoyed her. Chilling on Cohen's bike right here. Ramble a little bit, but I'm missing my boys a lot today, and I'm honestly feeling pretty lonely today. I've tried to do some things and it helped, but man, I come back home and it's my first day actually feeling good and being out of quarantine. So this quarantine stuff, it's no joke, and it's taking its mental toll on me now. After the 5th time, it's not that I'm going crazy. I'm just tired of it. Just so tired of it. If I could, and y'all know this, I would leave. I would go to Florida and start over. Maybe I should make that for my Storytelling Sunday video. Maybe I did. Because this video isn't coming out on Sunday. Anyhow, if you guys like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. That helps me out a ton. Even if it's a thumbs down. If there's something you didn't like about it, thumbs down the video. I don't care. It's going to help me in the end. And if you would, and you have some advice or suggestions, please drop those down in the comments below. Let me know what you think about me getting rid of Dora and buying a truck. Now the truck, like I said, is going to have to be an LBZ truck. Duramax, Chevy Life. But for now, we will continue to make it by just squeeze things through. And being able to sell some things at home that I own has been helping out. Having friends and family give me a little bit here and there has helped me out. And you know what? Here's the thing. All these people that are helping me right now, they have no idea. Now they do. One day, when I am back on my feet and I have extra, they're my first stop. They are my first stop. Because I'm so grateful and thankful for them that I can't explain it. I'm not just a taker. You know, you got some people that just take and take and take and take and never give back. And I can't do that. I can't do it. So, anyhow, with that being said, if you guys would please click that red subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, don't forget to click that bell notification so that you get notified when I upload, because sometimes I do forget to share my link on time. Kind of like the last video. I forgot to share the link and it got like 5 views. Whoops. So if you missed that one, go ahead, check it out. Should be on one of these plugs on the end, whatever you call them. That my end screen. I know we talked about a lot here. Like I said, hard day. Trying to get better now it's nighttime. Trying to get everything out. You guys are my family, my friends, and you help me. Whether you know it or not, the support helps me more than anything. Have a great night, guys. We will talk to y'all on the next one.